I'm kind of bored.
Yeah, me too. I mean, where should we go? Maybe we should, like... I'm kind of hungry. Maybe we should go
Get some ice cream. Ice cream? That sounds yum. Well, maybe we should go to the ice cream store. I mean, it's across the road. I mean, I'm sure Mum won't see. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I think there's a door there. Okay.
Alright, let's just go. I think Mum is
Doing something else. Alright, let's go. Door. Because it's nearly 1 o'clock, so we need to go. Alright, we're here. Oh my god. Okay, I think we just go take our order. Hello. Can we... Oh, I think they have, like, hot chocolates here. Oh, okay. I guess let's go get some hot chocolates. Do you want froth in yours? Yeah. Alright, let's get some hot chocolates, maybe ice cream. Alright, I think can I get like the chocolate one with like the hazelnuts in it? I'll get the one with the half chocolate and half strawberry.
alright.
Alright, we got the chocolate also. We got, I think, the one with the froth one and the one with like not that much froth and a little bit of strawberry. And we got the ice cream. So this one is like a hazelnut one. It tastes so good. And look at the stick, it has a heart shape on it. And then we got the strawberry and the half chocolate. Alright, hope these girls actually have money to pay me back, because it's a bit weird how they didn't come with like a guardian or parent.
It's ready.
Cool, they're sitting down. Alright. Here goes his ice cream. So good. I guess we can take ours. Oh my god, he's mine! This tastes so good. I mean, look at all the froth. It's like so clear and cool. What's my straw? That's beautiful.
I'm gonna go. Alright, you girls finished? Yeah.
Alright, great. Our scooter's parked out here. Oh my god, my scooter. It's my scooter too. Oh. Alright, I think we got home. I think Mom's gonna find us. Oh no! She doesn't. It's so relaxing. I can't believe I do my hair. I mean, it's already pink, but like, I want to do it again. Oh my god, London and Paris? What are they doing? What are you guys doing? Why is the scooter parked out there? Did you guys leave? I meant to leave the house. We're like in quarantine. Well, I don't know. We just left because we were hungry. We ate ice cream. You went to the ice cream store? Oh my god. I'm telling Mom. Don't tell Mom. Oh my god. Oh, you guys are so annoying. Oh my god, I'm telling Mom. Well, I'm gonna tell Mom that you dyed your hair. Well, she already knows that. Now leave me alone. I'm telling Mom. Oh no, she's gonna tell Mom. Ooh.